Congratulations on finishing your course. Now you're ready to really do everything you can with your YouTube channel. So once you get your YouTube channel up and going and you start really working on building content on there, make sure to check out the advanced class for this same YouTube course that will take you to the next level when you get to the point where you are going to be really earning money from YouTube, how you can share your content, how you can kind of make your content on YouTube to where you can actually start bringing in some revenue for your business or your craft. Also, make sure to check out my business group because you'll be able to actually ask me questions in there concerning anything related to business or YouTube. And I hope to see you there. There's going to be a coupon code at the end for both the advanced class and for the business group. And we hope to see you there. Bye, y'all.